Netherlands, specifically spending the day in The Hague. It's our very first time in the city, so I'm really excited to see what it's all about. So you have to come along with us and explore for the day. The Hague is a really fun city that's pretty quirky with attractions you won't find anywhere else. We started our day at a cozy cafe with some delicious breakfast and coffee. Our first stop was Huis Boek, which translates to House of the Book. It's the oldest book museum in the world with centuries-old books, manuscripts, and exhibits on how books have influenced society. Our very favorite collection was the miniature library. There are over 1,500 mini books and they are displayed so beautifully. I love that this museum has a whole permanent display devoted to unusual book forms like the mini book. From mini books to a whole miniature village, it's time to visit Madurodam. Madurodam is where you can visit all of the Netherlands in a day, of course in miniature form. It is fascinating to walk through this park because it is so incredibly detailed, from every building and attraction right down to the people and even the greenery, which is kept to a maximum of 60 centimeters high. You'll see windmills, neighborhoods, canals, palaces, churches, and even the I Amsterdam sign. Some of the displays are even interactive. The models are exact replicas on a scale of 1 to 25. This place is fun for people of all ages. Justin and I had a great time. After seeing the miniatures, we rested our legs at a cafe called Bookstor. It is a really cute cafe and bookshop that's over 100 years old. It's a really peaceful place in the city, especially the little garden patio in the back. This spot is so charming and has yummy coffee and desserts too. While you might be tempted to overlook The Hague in place of Amsterdam or Rotterdam, I urge you to spend at least a day or two in this unique city. We would love to return sometime soon. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay in touch.